to take a minute and go over a little bit of map orienteering and how I use a map and a compass. It's very simple. I use a base compass. This is one with a flat one with the rotating compass dial. It's really easy. This is how I do it. Okay, so I have got a map of Blue Springs Wildlife Management Area. This was issued in 2025. This is for 2025 and 2026. This is more for the hunting. There is a legend on the side here. Everything that's tan is the wildlife management area. There's a Shiloh Hill. That's another little hunting area. Then there's safety zones, which is this spiral red. You can't hunt in those areas. And then there's camping areas and check stations and game. There's a gate, wildlife opening. There's a bunch of routes, county road, paved roads, and walking trails. But we're not going to be dealing with that today. What we're going to be dealing with is how to use this compass. This is a base compass. It's a Silva brand. This is a fairly good compass. It's kind of one of the compasses, the base compasses that all compasses are measured by. So I guess that's pretty good. All right, so I'm going to bring you guys in and show you how I use this compass to orientate the map and the direction that I'm going, that I can use this compass to basically bushwhack, walk without using a trail or a road, just make my way through the woods on a bearing. So what we've got here, I am going to try to walk from, I'm standing here, right here where these two roads cross, and I want to make it all the way over to this little spring. That's what that is. That's where these are little springs, this end right here. It's a spring. It's the head of this little creek, okay? So using my compass, what I would do is this edge right here, this edge of the compass, I would place it right there on the corner, all the way to the spring. I'm heading in that direction. You see the little arrow right there? Okay? And then what I would do, if you look, you see those lines inside there? You see those lines? I want to make those lines go parallel the lines on the map. You see these grid lines? You see all those grid lines in here? There's a square there. There's a square there. See the grid lines? So I want the lines of the compass to go the same way as the map, okay, in that direction. Then, if you look right here, because this is the direction I'm going, if you look right here, that will tell me the degrees. And it looks like it's 55 degrees. It's 55 degrees because there's 40, 60, and right there is 50 in between, and between those two is the direction I'm going. It's 55 degrees. Now, taking compass in hand, you see the arrow right there in the middle and the needle right there? As long as you place the red, which is the needle, in the shed, see it's in the shed, it's out of the shed, it's in the shed, out of the shed. You place that inside the shed, and as long as you head that direction, see the arrow, you will be going from there to there, keeping the red in the shed. You will go the arrow direction, and you will place this in front of you and walk. You will look ahead. You'll see a tree or something that's directly down that direction, and you will walk that direction, keeping the red in the shed. And when you get to that tree, you'll check it again and sight and find another tree or a rock or some structure that you can continue on to that next one and keep doing that each time. And eventually, you will go from here to that spring. That's how I do it.